students. Welcome to today's lecture of R programming. Today I am going to discuss about assignment and miscellaneous operators. Suppose one variable is there. I am writing the assignment like this. Then print variable 1. Let's execute the program. You can print the value. This one is known as left assignment. Left assignment. And second one is right assignment. Now what is the meaning of this? You can assign in different way, nothing else. 13.4 is equal to variable 2. Then print variable 2. Again execute the program. You can print the value of this variable. It means 12 is assigned to variable 1. 13.4 is assigned to variable 2. Suppose I am writing like this inside any assignment, equality sign. Suppose I am writing variable 3 equal to 17.3. Then print variable 3. Let's execute the program. You can print the value. There is no error. Suppose I am writing 12.9 is equal to variable 4. Print variable 4. Execute the program now. It will create error. Now what is the meaning of this? 17.3 is assigned to variable 3. 17.3 is assigned to variable 3, means third variable. What about this? The meaning of this statement is variable 4 is assigned to 12.9. This one is wrong. This one is wrong assignment. You can't assign a variable to a number. This content is wrong. This one. This assignment is wrong assignment. And this one is correct. One more way of assigning the variable 5 in a left assignment case. Suppose I am writing variable 11 2 times less than sign, then 13.8. Then print. It's another way of assigning the variable 11. And similarly, I can write here 34.21 2 times greater than sign, variable 21. Then printing of the variable 21. Now execute the complete program again. First one is the left assignment, then printing of the variable, then again the left assignment, then printing of the variable. It's another way of entering the variable. This one is the right assignment, and this one is the second way of printing the variable. Then equality sign. You can print the variable. Variable 3 is equal to 17.3. You can print the variable, and the second content is not possible. This one is not possible. If I am writing 12.9 is equal to variable 4, it means I am assigning variable 4 to 12.9. This one is the wrong assignment. You can't print the value in this way. And the second topic is miscellaneous operators. Now, what are miscellaneous operators in R language? Suppose I am writing V1 is equal to 3 colon 14. Then print V1. Now execute this content. You can print the value from 3 to 14. Suppose I am writing V2 14 to 3. Print V2. Automatically it reverses the content. You can print the values in reverse order. But in case of C language or C++, if you are incrementing the thing, you can print the value using for loop. But if you have to reverse the things, you have to identify -1 or -2, whatever the decrement sign is required, you have to write that value. But in case of R, simply by writing increasing or decreasing content, you can automatically increase or decrease the value. Suppose I am writing 13, 13. Same value is there. Then what will be the output? Let us check this one. Only 13 is there. It means one value is there. From 13 to 13, only one value is there. From 3 to 14, you can print all the values. From 14 to 3, you can print the values in reverse order. If I am writing the value in decimal format, 12.3 colon 17. Now print this value, print V4. Let us check the output now. Okay. Let us check this value. 12.3, 13.3, 14.3, 15.3 and 16.3. With a gap of 1, you can print the values. Similarly, in reverse order, suppose I am writing 21.45 to 11. Now print V5. Now execute the program again. You can print the value in a reverse order with the gap of 1. All the contents are 0.45 with endpoint, 21.45, 20.45. With a gap of 1, you can print the values up to 11. Suppose you have to print the values with different gap, then you have to use sequence. Suppose I am writing 45, then 90 with a gap of 5. Then print V6. Let's execute the program now. You can print the value with a gap of 5 with the help of sequence. Similarly, you can print the values in negative form. Suppose I am writing 90 to 45 with a gap of -7. Then print V7. Let's execute the program now. You can print the value in reverse order. 90, 83, then 76, 69, 62, 55 and 48. Suppose we are printing the decimal values, sequence 12.7 up to 31 with a gap of 2.3. Then print variable 8. You can print the decimal value also. First value is 12.7, then the gap of 2.3 is there. It's 15, then 17.3, then 19.6 and up to so on. Before 31, you can print all the values with this gap. Similarly, you can print the negative values in decimal format. Sequence 17.9 to minus 0.6. Print V9. Execute the program now. You can print the value in reverse order. 17.9 with a gap of 0.6, then 17.3, then 16.6, 16.7, 16.1 up to so on. Suppose you are trying to print the data like this: 17, then 8, then -11 or +2. Suppose you are trying to print the data like this: print V10. Let's try this one. Error is there. Wrong sign of by argument. This one is by argument. It's wrong signature because 17 and 8, the data is in decreasing order and you are giving the increment. Suppose I am writing -2 here, then I can print the data easily because negative content is there. I can print the data 17, then 15, 13, 11 and 9. Hope you understand about assignment and miscellaneous operators. Left assignment, right assignment and equality sign is there. Then with the help of colon and sequencing, I explained everything. Thanks for watching my video.